now. I've created something special, and I'm gonna reveal what's inside my special Kraken Bass bait kit and show you how it wrecks bass. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you can get one of these. There's only a special way that you can get them. It's not available to everybody. So stay to the end and you can learn how you can get one of these as part of a special offer I got with my new kit. Stay stoked, let's go. All right, Kraken Bass crew, I've got something so exciting for you. I'm taking off some stuff, and this is something I wish I would have had when I started out fishing. This is my new Kraken custom kit, and I'm gonna fish a bunch of the baits in here that I put together and show you that this thing is a game changer. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna throw all kinds of different stuff. I got a couple of jigs. I got my friend Ty with me. He's throwing everything in here. It's what I'm gonna be fishing today, and we're gonna see if we can wreck some on it. I got drop shots, wacky rigs, Ned rigs, jigs, craws, spinner bait. Let's go. Woo! First thing I'm gonna tie on is this spinner bait. It's a little bit overcast. Good conditions for, you know, spinner bait weather. Cover a lot of water. We're in a lake I love and have a lot of good success on, and no better place to try these things than at a place you know has some fish. So these are the lures I have just tons of confidence in, and that's the only thing I'm gonna use today. Here's the spinner bait. I got these custom made by BA Custom Baits. Frustrated with some of the spinner bait colors out there, and he made this one for me to put in my kit, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, let's put this first one to work and go see if we can find some. One of my friends, we work together, and he loves fishing. He's gonna be trying out a lot of these baits with me too. Just follow along and see if we pop a few. Perfect spinnerbait weather. Spinnerbait works really good in wind, cloud cover, and dirty water. So it's kind of one of those good search lures when you have those conditions. I found they don't work as good when it's flat, calm, and bright sunny skies. So I'm just gonna fish behind Ty here. I think he's throwing a jig up there in front of me, the custom one that I had made. And what are you flipping out there, Ty? The jig, right on those rocks. That's a perfect spot for that jig. Oh, get one? I think I had one. Yeah, I didn't even notice it very good. The new Moss Monster spinnerbait custom crack. Put on this little Ned rig to kind of finesse conditions. I have a lot of confidence in the Ned rig. Flip that out. It's all part of my custom kit. Let's go. Green pumpkin heads in my kit. They're real light. The key to the Ned is you want a lighter one. That slow, subtle fall at what draws them out. 1/16 or a 1/10 head. Pretty cool, all this stuff. It gives you enough options where you will be successful. It was pretty good. Got the Netarini on. See how it works. All right, Ty's on the board. My custom jig works. Try some deeper shots. Ty said his fish was out deeper. Oh, there he is. He's got it. Oh, they're out there a little deeper. Oh, he's on there still. Got him. Woohoo! The Kraken kit. Let's go. Hey, nice largemouth. Oh, just a little too calm for the spinnerbait, I think. And he was pretty deep, so boom. Look at that. First time using my new stuff that I made, and I knew this stuff would work. So exciting. Okay, not a giant, but healthy fish. This is that little custom Ned head, and then finesse TRD in the perfect color for my Kraken kit. Yeah, yeah! Ty's got one on the Kraken jig. Let's go. Woo! Yeah, that thing's a crack-a-lacker. Good one. Oh, you're on fire. That thing's kicking him. Another one out on the jig. Oh, there's one. There he is. There he is. On the net. Woohoo! All right, another one. This fish has a tag in it. That's crazy. Look at this. It's got a tag. That's cool. Here's the tag on it. That's crazy. Caught a tagged bass. My Kraken bass kit. Let's go. I I'm loving this little Ned worm, but I want to catch something on some of my other stuff too. So it's just a little bit too thick and grassy. So I'm gonna throw this in here and tie on a drop shot. A lot of slime down there. So it's loaded with drop shot hooks and wacky ring hooks. You use the same hook, tie on a polymer knot, just like this so, and you are ready to rock. You get one of these drop shot weights in the kit here and slide it right on. And then what you want to do, these are little trick worms, and you want to wacky rig them just right in the middle, just like that. That's a fish crushing machine right there. Seem to be deeper. This will get down there a little faster. Ty seems to be catching them on the jig. So I'm gonna take this spinner bait off. Seems like it's a little too cold. I mean, too calm. I'll try it again later. Hook the ring down, crack and jig. What's nice about these jigs is they're automatically trimmed down. Skirts are trimmed down, weed guards are trimmed down to the perfect level to where you'll stick way more fish. A lot of people don't know how to trim their jigs, and it's a pain in the butt. So I did it for you in my custom kit. Kit is working. That's what's so awesome about it. It's very universal. Throwing fluorocarbon line, just a real universal jig that just slays with one of my favorite craws. There we go. Yeah, the cracking kit. So really in this kit, you got your finesse baits. You want to be thrown on a spinning rod, and then jig and the spinner bait. You throw on your bait caster. Oh, there he is. Oh. That didn't take long. All right, jigger. Ty's wrecking them over on that little custom jig. Slick, calm. You got to go to real subtle stuff. Oh, got him. There he is, on the drop shot. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, the cracking kit. Let's go. Hey, that's not a bad one. Got it. That's so cool. First time fishing the kit, and everything in it so far. Caught fish. I'm feeling really good about it. Getting really excited to be able to offer it to you guys. It's gonna be available. Got a training that goes along with it, kind of help coach you, so you get that free training along with. And if you like the training and excited about this kit, you can totally get one. I'm gonna catch another one on a drop shot right here. Oh, there he is. Oh. He'll get it again. I've caught 5 and you've caught 4. All right, got 9 bass already on only this stuff in the cracking kit. All right, back on with the jig. Oh, cool. I went to pop it up and oh, there he is. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a nice one. Dude, this jig is fire. Oh yeah, best one of the day. Custom crack and crawl, baby. Woo! Heck yeah. That jig bite's addicting. Oh, there he is. Got it on the dropper. Woo! Dude, everything in this thing works. Little guy though. Couple on the drop. Let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it up and put on. So in here, I also got these. These are for wacky rigging, these 4-inch Daiwa Nico Fat. I'm gonna take this drop shot off, and I got some wacky rings in my kit. I'm gonna put one of these Daiwa Nico Fats and just wacky rig it weightless. And see, the other thing you can do is you can fish it Nico style by sticking the drop shot weight up in the head of the bait. So that's why I got these cylinder styles. You can throw it in there and Nico rig it if you want. Not gonna worry about that today. Just gonna throw a ring on and just throw it out there wacky style and go for it. So what's cool about this kit that a lot of people don't know, these are all the things that, that's why I wish I had this when I first started. But these are clear O-rings, okay? And that is a difference maker. I'm gonna put that on my, I got a little wacky rig tool for you, and you just run these over the back like this. I'm just gonna throw this little Nico
rig out, you just run these baits over the top like this. Put it right in the middle. Nice cylinder center spot. That's how you catch some big ones. And lots of them. So just wacky rig it. Everything in my kit. And I feel like jumping in the lake because it's so hot. Oh, there he is. Oh, cool. He come and just smoked it. I missed him. They're out a little deeper, so I'm gonna do what I told you to do with this little kit. For the wacky rig, I'm gonna take this little 1/8 ounce weight and just all the way up through into the head of the bait, just like that. That'll fall all the way down to the bottom, and I can fish a little deeper. I feel like they're just deeper. Oh, cool. Oh, man. The wacky. Oh, I was about to pull it up, and geez, this is a nice one. Yes, everything in this kit works. And it's versatile for different conditions and situations. Oh, baby. Heck yes. That's a pretty good one. I felt him thump it, and I was like, oh, God. Yeah. Look at that. There it is. Just made it Nico style with the drop shot weight. Because they were a little bit deeper, and bam. Hooked up. Wind's kind of picking up. That's good. That means it's spinnerbait time. Oh, that's a little buck over there. Oh, another one. Follow it up. It's a couple bucks. Little deer right there. One little spike and one little 2-point. There he is. Yes. I knew there'd be a good one up there. Up in the grass on the wacky rig. Oh, this one feels real nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Holy cow, this is a fighter. Real nice, healthy bass. Wow. Everything has been wrecking them. Oh, look at that guy. Wow, what a pretty fish. Look at that pretty bass. He was right up there shallow on the little wacky rig. Everything in the Kraken kit. Let's go. Nice bass, bro. See you later, buddy. I love it. Ooh, it's starting to blow. That means I'm gonna tie on the spinnerbait. Switching to the spinnerbait. Got him. Woohoo! The Moss Kraken Bass Custom Spinnerbait. Let's go. Oh, this is a nice one. Slow rolling it. Wow. Everything worked. Everything. Oh, no. Bye-bye. That was sick. Everything in my box, baby. Got him. There he is. On the Kraken Custom Spinnerbait. Let's go. Woo! That wind's blowing right into this pocket. Oh, this is a nice one. Yeah. Hey, hey. Oh, yes. Woo! That is sweet. Everything freaking works in my bait kit. Yeah! Yeah! Go check out my training. Go get one of those suckers. Oh, baby. Ty, how you doing? I caught 2 on my spinnerbait. I caught 2 fish on every bait in my box. It's gonna be a winner. Dude, how about that? Everything in my kit works.
I am jacked about this kit, and you can see why. It flat out works. Now, not everything's gonna work all of the time, but the conditions were ripe where, you know, everything worked. As the conditions changed, I switched, and I was able to modify and use everything in this box to be able to catch more fish. So if you enjoyed this video and you like what's in this kit, go check out my free training, and you can see there how you can get this kit. It'll coach you a little bit more about bass fishing and give you some more tips and tricks and give you an opportunity to get this bait kit. So check out my free training workshop that goes along with this kit, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go. Bye.